How to create a project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. Select New Project. Give a title or a name for the project. To change your location, select Browse. Select Renderer to choose your graphics card or choose Default. Select Timecode on Video Display Format. Select Audio Samples on Audio Display Format. Select HDV on Capture Format. Ensure tickmark on display the project item name and color to all interface. Now select OK to create a project. Your project has been successfully created. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.